Hey all, today we're going to talk about the Xbox S series. I'm just going to mention some of my favorite highlights and see if it's right for you. Okay, so there's a lot of things I love and appreciate about this. One, I love the minimalist design of it. It's not going to take like a whole lot of real estate on your entertainment table or on your wherever you put it. It's not going to take a whole lot of real estate. Something else I really love about this is the grip. There's little grips on the back of it, so you can kind of like enjoy the texture while you're playing. It's just a nice little added feature that doesn't feel like it's going to slip out of your hand. Some other things worth noting with this is all digital, right? If you want to play a game, once it's out and available, you can play. You don't have to worry about going to GameStop or whatever the case may be. When it's available, you can play it right then and download it. I've also got to mention it's got 4K streaming. So if you're watching on YouTube or if you're streaming Netflix, HBO, whatever the case may be, if it's 4K quality, it's going to be able to stream it for you. Something else I want to mention is that Xbox Unlimited, right? So you can get games across all 4 generations of Xbox and you can download it on one device. The con to that, however, is that there's not a lot of storage space on here. Only like 512 gigs, which, as you know, it kind of runs out pretty quickly. But there's a USB in the back. You can always add an external hard drive, add a terabyte. That way you have plenty of space and you don't have to worry about it. So in conclusion, I love the design. The only con really is the storage space, but with Xbox Unlimited and the grips that you have, not to mention the fact that everything's digital, they've definitely made some improvements across the generations, and obviously I'm a fan of the Xbox S.